Hello everyone, I'm Serdar. Welcome to today's tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to find the average of something. Let's come to this table. What do we see here? Here in this column we have the names of students and in the adjacent column we have their ages. Now what we want to know is the average age of this class. And uh, normally when we want to find the average of something, we add up all the numbers and then divide it by the number of how many there are. Here in this case we have 8 students, so we're going to divide them by 8. Okay, let's come to this cell, type in the equal symbol, then type in the sum formula. Okay, then let's select all these numbers, close the bracket, and slash, which means we are dividing it by the number of students, which is 8, and hit enter. And we get 23.5. So what it means that the average age of this class is 23.5. Okay, so what we did, we added up all these numbers and divided by the number of students, which is 8, and we got this result. Okay, let me show you another way. Let's come to this cell again, delete it. We have a special formula to find the average of something. Again, let's type in the equal sign and then type in the letters A, V, E, R, and here we get this average formula. Okay, click on it, and here we have this average formula now. And now let's select all these numbers and close the bracket and hit enter, and we get the same result, which is 23.5. Easy, isn't it? Here we have average, as you see, average, opening parentheses, then the range, and the closing parentheses. So with the help of this average formula, we don't need to divide it by the number of students. So this formula automatically calculates the average of this class. Okay, let me show you one more example. Let's come to this table. You might remember this table from our previous tutorial when we learned the sum formula. And what do we have here? Here we have the days of the week, and here we have the number of pages read on those days. Now, what we want to know is the average pages read in one day. Okay, so in the same way, we come to this cell, type in equal symbol, then let's again write in okay, we get it, average. Okay, and select these numbers, this range from I8 to I14. So we've selected it, and now let's close the bracket and press enter. Okay, and we get this number, which is 6.9, showing that the average pages read per day is 6.9. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any questions or comments, please write them down in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.